Tommy Robinson, Toyota Series and Bassmaster Open Pro from Michigan. A friend of mine asked me, Tommy, what do you do during the off season? I said, man, I spend my time getting ready for the next year and doing maintenance on my boat to keep it running. Today, I'm here to show you some of the things that I do. I'm going to change my water separator filter, and the items that I use today, I purchased all of them from PartsVu. Okay, here's the filter located right there. You will need a oil filter wrench for this. Sometimes it could be kind of tight. If it's too tight, doesn't give you room to work, you may have to remove your battery. Let's hope we don't have to do that. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Okay, we got it loose. Now this will have gas in it. And there we have it. Okay, I've removed my old filter. And I have my new filter here. But here is the gas that was in the old filter. I poured it into a clear container so I can check to see if any water's in there. And it's not. The filter has done its job. I won't use this gas to put the new filter on. But what we'll do is be sure to put gas in your new filter. Don't fill it all the way up to the top, and make sure you moisten the gasket around the top with gasoline prior to putting it in there. We also want to moisten the top of that so we can get a good seal. And the reason why you pour gas back into it is if you don't, you'll have to pump and pump and pump until you fill it up. But if you go ahead and put the gas in there, you'll have most of it in there. And once you put it back on, be sure to pump your line to get gas going to your engine. Okay, when you put that filter back on, you just want to hand tighten it. You don't want to use your filter wrench to tighten it. Just hand tighten it. We're going to put the cover back on. Very simple process. Easier than changing the oil in your vehicle. All done. And I hope these tips help you when you get ready for the upcoming boating season. And remember, all parts and accessories can be found at PartsVu.com. Thanks for visiting.